Exact same design, different stones. Watch this. See those stones? I mean, you can tell they stones, but they ain't dancing. Like, they ain't dancing at all. You know what I mean? They just shining a little bit. Now watch this shit. See how that shit start dancing? See how they start dancing? Oh yeah. Know the difference in your stones. Look how they dancing, dancing, dancing. Like a dance machine. Now look at these over here. They ain't dancing. Why they ain't even twink, 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 twink. They ain't doing nothing. They just shining. I've seen a little blink bling here, there, here, there. But not like this. Watch this. Ting, ting. Shabba. Now let's see if we can try it from a different angle. Now this angle. They don't dance. They don't dance at all. What about over here? They don't dance. Them look like, from this angle, they look like they might shine a little brighter though. Maybe because they're on that darker blue. Nah. The design look different though with the higher quality stones. Like over here, they look choppy. Look choppy, look jagged, crooked. Like, you know what I mean? Maybe that's how I picked it up with the tape or whatever. But, you know, from afar, it's still solid design. But over here, it just looks so symmetrical. Like,